thank you for coming in and agreeing to do a review. Tell us, if you would, what kind of case you had.
I was in a car accident and I got injured and ended up in the hospital for about a week and had broken ribs, and that's about it.
Yeah. Well, how did you find our law firm?
Well, my son went to school with Matt, and so my good friend John told me I should get a lawyer. His sister was in an accident in Texas, as a matter of fact, and she didn't get a lawyer, and she did not fare well with the insurance companies fighting for getting compensated for her injuries. So I decided I needed a lawyer, and I had mentioned it to my kids. I was going to get a lawyer, and my son said, well, my friend Matt, we went to school, fraternity. So I said, good. So I gave Matt a ring and hired him right away.
Yeah. How did you do it?
Great, fabulous.
Did you feel like he communicated well with you and kept you updated throughout the case?
Most definitely. I mean, I never had to really contact him. Every once in a while I would, but that's because I can be impatient sometimes. But I learned patience.
Us too.
Yeah, so, but for the most part, he was the one that contacted me and gave me the updates.
Did you feel like he was able to sort of guide you through the legal process and tell you what was happening in the case, all that kind of thing?
Yes, he explained everything along the way that was happening and why it was happening, and I'd ask him questions every once in a while just to get a further understanding, because I'm a white person, so I got to understand why. So he would explain things for me.
You're a why person, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
To understand things, I have to ask why. Why this or why that, or why are they doing this? And he would explain things to me in the amount of detail that would help me understand.
Yeah. Don't tell me the dollar figure, but were you pleased with the result in your case?
I was, because I did some research online considering what a lot of other people received as compensation for the similar type of injuries like I had. I feel that I got better than most.
All right. If you had a friend or family member who needed a personal injury lawyer, would you recommend Matt and our law firm?
Certainly. Highly recommend Matt. And I've already did once, and I will do it again.
Well, thank you so much.
Well, you're certainly welcome.
We appreciate you taking the time to talk with us.
Oh, no problem. I enjoyed it. Very pleased.
Thank you.
You're welcome.